Yeah. Okay. Jack here again. I find that the best position for the pelvis is in between the torso and the legs, the pelvis. We're gonna do a few things on the mat because we're all at home right now. A friend of mine called me and he asked me to show this one exercise. This one is called the cannoli. And basically what you wanna do is between your rolling like a ball and your jackknife, you spin around and you grab your mat and you roll. Around, jackknife, rolling like a ball, round, cannoli. Do we have any students that want to? Yeah, why don't you come check? Why don't you come over here? What's your name?
Elisa.
Elisa. Okay, Elisa. So go ahead and sit down on the ground. And you're going to come down into your rolling like a ball position. You're going to spin, grab the mat, and cannoli. There is a quick thing on the airplane board, and I saw it done one time when we were talking with Sean. I'm sure he won't mind if I show this thing. Basically, you hold the airplane board, you're in your Pilates stance, and I pull in and up, and I raise the airplane board up. You lower it down. 1 foot over. The plane was going a little fast there, and it was off the runway just a little bit, but that's okay. So play with that. It's a lot of fun. The airplane board doesn't get used like that a lot. Oftentimes they clip it on and stuff. I have no idea. But I really find that that's a great use for the airplane board. Thanks for watching. Come on, let's go. It was the chicken. It's really good on the thighs. It's trying to get the coordination from the head to the feet, like the chicken. Yeah.